Welcome to Troop, Texas, home of Motor Trike Incorporated. Motor Trike manufactures conversions that transform motorcycles into trikes. Since 1994, they have been one of the nation's leading conversion manufacturers. Since undergoing 9 expansions, they now operate in 108,000 square feet on 75 acres, including 2 subassembly lines, 3 robotic welders, and 15 downdraft paint booths. An impressive showroom displays demo trikes and offers friendly customer service. The installation bay, shown here, is used as a training and education center for both the Motor Trike technical team as well as their global dealer network. It is also used as an aid for the research and development performed by the engineering team. To enhance their already astounding customer service, Motor Trike also employs a technical staff to support their customers and dealers via telephone and email. Motor Trike manufactures most of their products in-house. They weld many of their own accessories from light bars to trailer hitches to bumpers, all the way down to the frames. The engineering team plays an integral part of this process by first designing the products and weld fixtures, and then by programming the robotic welders. Each and every part of the welding cycle is tightly controlled. This allows Motor Trike to ensure the quality of their products and keep their lead times down. Motor Trike hand assembles each and every one of its differentials. They make belt and shaft-driven solid axles, as well as belt and shaft-driven independent rear suspension housings, all of which are completely assembled here at their plant in Troop, Texas. Motor Trike does not make inventory stock. All products are custom-made as ordered. Everything seen here is a sold product. This guarantees top-notch customer satisfaction. Fiberglass molds are designed and manufactured in-house. Once the molds are ready, the fiberglass itself is hand-laid as part of the 9-day process to produce a full painted conversion. All the body prep, paint, and primer booths are downdraft controlled. Motor Trike paints all of its body pieces using OEM paint from US Paint and PPG. Because Motor Trike has an outstanding partnership with US Paint, the quality of paint used is as high as any other vehicle in the powersports industry. Body paint can be mixed to match the original color of the motorcycle, creating a seamless look and finish. The Motor Trike assembly line is a very busy location. It not only builds all of the independent rear suspension conversions for Motor Trike, but it also builds all of the thoroughbred motorsports trailers and stallions. Each and every item that travels the assembly line has a multi-page checklist with part numbers for all the components needed and proper torque specifications set forth by the engineering team. Torque wrenches are used in all applications on as many bolts as possible to ensure quality and precision. After each conversion is assembled, it will sit on the Motor Trike assembly floor for 24 hours to verify that all air suspension components hold their pressures. All items are custom built as the orders are placed for each and every customer. Part of the work done at Motor Trike is focused on quality control. Every wiring harness that is handmade is then tested individually by a skilled Motor Trike employee. All of the wiring harnesses for accessories such as light bars and air compressors are made here. In addition to the trike conversions, trailers, and stallions, Motor Trike also manufactures mechanical reverse gears for all 5- and 6-speed Harley-Davidson motorcycles. The shipping department at Motor Trike is a very busy location. Because their lead times are the best in the industry, products are shipped daily to many locations all around the world. Housing plenty of parts and components on the shelves, and doing all their own wheel mounting and balancing is just another way Motor Trike is able to deliver its products to its customers as quickly as possible. Motor Trike travels all around the country to many shows and rallies, displaying their demos and getting to know their dealers, riders, and future customers. At the end of the day, Motor Trike produces a beautiful product that allows trike enthusiasts to feel the wind in their hair and rest assured they are riding a top-notch trike.